In normal single linked list, the last field of last node will have null value. If you have null value in this field, it indicates that is the last node in the list. Alright. Instead of this null value, if you are storing the address of this node, the first node 101, after this node will link this node. The last node of this field, right? This field of last node, we are going to store the address of the start node, right? So the last field of last node will have the address of start node. So this structure is called circular linked list, right? So only one difference. In normal linked list, last field of last node will have null value. In the case of circular linked list, last field of last node will have the address of start node, I mean the first node. That is circular linked list, right? So now we are going to insert a new node at the beginning, right? So my value is this. Here this is my null value. So again I know only start pointer. Start pointer, the new node link field we are going to attach is start pointer. Fine. The link will create like this. But I have to make this one is start node, and here I have to bring my link to this node. Right? So now what is this 101? 101 is actually the address of start. Right? So now what is my statement? New node link, new node dot link, you are going to store the address of start. So what is the address of start? So the null value will be replaced by 101. Right? So now the link will create. Now what is next? I have to make this node as first node, I mean start node. So here new node will assign to start. Now what is the address of new node? Address of new node will be 100. 100 will be assigned to start. So I will move my start pointer from here to here. So what will happen here? Already you have stored address of start, right? So before it was 101, right? So when the moment you move your start pointer from here to here, the address of start will change, the 100. So now this will be changed to 100. So what will happen here? This link will create like this. So this is first node, second node, third node, fourth node. Again this node will come here. This is your start node. So now we inserted a new node at the beginning, right? So how to insert at the end? In circular linked list. Now we are going to insert a node at the end. This is my new node. This is my 40. So this is my new node. So my value is 40 in the data field. I stored null value in the link field, right? So now we are going to insert a node here. So this will be the end. So here we are going to store the start pointer value here. Then we have to create a link between this one and this one, right? So I know only start pointer here. Value of my start is 101, right? And here the last field, last node will have the address of the first node. So if you insert new node at the end, after this node, after this node, the first node has to come, right? Now what you have to do, you use one more pointer, right? the address of start, we are going to assign one more pointer called current node. So now this is your current node. You bring this current node till end, right? So before in single linked list, we brought this current node from here to till end. How we identify that is the last node. Last node will have null field. So we identified whenever we reach a null field, so we are going to stop, right? So now how we can identify? Same way, instead of null we have the address of start, right? So same way we have to check the condition now. The current node length not equal to the address of start. That's all. So the current node dot length will have the address of start. The address of start is 101. No. The condition is true now. In that case, you move current pointer from here to here. So current pointer, the current node will move to current node dot link. Current node dot link will have address of next node. So this node will move to next node. Right? Again the condition will be checked. Now the current node will move here. Current node dot link not equal to start S. Again this will move to next node. Now the current node will come here. The current node link is not equal to start. No, this is equal to start. So now your current pointer will end here. So we brought current pointer here. Now after this the loop will terminate now. The current node dot link. Current node dot link. We have to store the address of new node. So the link will create like this. So now this is not start now. Here we are going to store the address of this node. So this node address may be 104. So 104 will be stored. Right? Now new node link will have the address of start. We know the value of start here. So you just store start pointer. Right? So now the null value will be replaced by the address of start. So now this will be like this. Right? So what is the address of this? 104. So first node, second node, third node, fourth node. After this again the pointer will come to first node. So now we have inserted a new node at the end in the case of circular linked list.